and I will conduct an interview from the group of guys that that experience Superman glide.
Pakituro mo, sir.
There.
Ayan.
There they are.
Yan. Teka,
And
yan.
there's the Berat team.
Ayan.
Yan. How about you? Yung maingay daw na nakatayo ang buhok. Hey, what you have, anong pakiramdam nyo?
So exciting, you know.
Yeah, it's so exciting. Pangin, di picture yan, te.
Screaming.
Yeah, interview to, pre. Galing, ipopost sa
Alam mo
TV5,
yung
mga pre.
heart mo nagpo-pump when you dive down
Okay, and you?
backwards, you know.
What have you experienced?
Then suddenly you scream again.
Okay.
May skywalk po kayo, ma'am? Dito po ang funicular.
Somebody cut off our interview. Ayan, nagbe-berat sign na daw sila, sir. Tapos na ba kayo, mga brad?
Yes, of course. We're done.
Okay, let's go.
We're done,
Okay.
Brad.